Let's be honest. Does your apartment ever feel a little bland? You want that high-end designer look, but you're not trying to lose your security deposit or drain your bank account. But here's the interesting part. Some of the easiest ways to make an apartment look more expensive are actually small upgrades most people overlook, and a lot of them are sitting on Amazon. Today I'm sharing 7 renter-friendly finds that can instantly elevate the way your apartment looks and feels without drilling holes or doing anything permanent. Some of these are surprisingly simple, but together they completely change the vibe of a space. Let's start with one of the biggest upgrades you can make. The first upgrade is replacing those awful vertical blinds that come with so many rental apartments. You know the ones. They're clacky, plastic, and somehow make your ceilings look shorter than they actually are. A simple fix is swapping them out for no-drill curtain rod with floor-length linen curtains. Tension rods are perfect for renters because they don't require screws or drilling, and they come down easily when you move out. Pair the rod with simple linen curtains and hang them as high and as wide as possible. That one trick pulls the eye upward and instantly makes your ceiling feel taller and your windows look bigger. And when you choose a slightly sheer linen, it lets natural light flow through the room, which automatically makes the space feel brighter and more expensive. Next up is fixing that random corner in your apartment that always feels dark, cramped, or just empty. Instead of adding more furniture or clutter, one of the easiest design tricks is a large arched floor mirror. Designers love mirrors because they bounce light around the room and instantly make a space feel larger. But the key here is the shape. Arched mirrors have become extremely popular because the curved top adds a soft architectural detail that feels more custom and elevated than a basic rectangular mirror. You can simply lean it against a wall in a bedroom, living room, or entryway, and suddenly the space feels brighter, bigger, and more intentional. Now let's talk about lighting. One of the biggest reasons apartments feel flat or cheap is because everything is lit from one harsh overhead light. Good design almost always includes layered lighting. And one of the easiest renter-friendly ways to add that is with warm white LED strip lighting. Not the colorful gamer lights you might be picturing. I'm talking about soft, warm strips that stay completely hidden but create a subtle glow. They usually have a peel and stick backing, which makes installation incredibly easy. You can place them under kitchen cabinets, behind your headboard, or along the back of a TV console. Instead of blasting the room with light from above, the glow spreads across surfaces of the room. That simple shift adds depth and makes the entire space feel more intentionally designed. Now let's move to the sofa. Sometimes the couch itself is perfectly fine, but the space still feels a little basic. The easiest upgrade here is changing the pillow covers. Texture is what makes a room feel layered and expensive. Instead of cotton pillows, look for covers with materials like boucle, chunky knit fabric, or even a subtle faux leather. You don't need a lot of them, just 2 or 3 pillows with different textures and similar neutral tones can completely change the feel of a sofa. It's one of those small styling tricks designers use constantly, and it's surprisingly affordable. And if these ideas are already giving you some inspiration, take a quick second to hit the like button. It helps the video reach more people who are also trying to make their apartments feel a little less temporary and a lot more like home. And if you enjoy these kind of renter-friendly upgrades, make sure you subscribe because there's a lot more coming. Now let's talk about one of the biggest clutter traps in any apartment. The coffee table the entry console, the bathroom counter. These surfaces tend to collect keys, mail, chargers, random products, and suddenly everything looks messy. The easiest fix is a decorative tray. Designers call this intentional containment. Instead of things spreading across the surface, everything sits inside one defined space. That simple change makes the clutter look curated instead of chaotic. Materials like travertine, terrazzo, or natural wood are especially popular right now because they add organic texture to a room. And suddenly, your coffee table or entryway looks styled instead of accidental. Next is one of my favorite lighting upgrades, a wireless picture light. Have you ever hung artwork that you love, but once it's on the wall, it just kind of disappears? That's because artwork often needs its own light source. Rechargeable picture lights mount directly above a frame and shine a soft, warm light downward. They're battery-powered, so there's no wiring involved. Many of them even come with a small remote, so you can even adjust the brightness or set timers. It's the exact kind of detail you see in high-end galleries and boutique hotels. But now, you can do it in an apartment with almost no effort. And finally, let's talk about one of the coziest upgrades you can add to a room, a candle warmer lamp. If you love candles but don't love open flames, soot on the walls, or worrying about a pet knocking something over, this is a great alternative. The candle warmer uses a gentle halogen bulb to warm the wax from the top down. That releases the fragrance without lighting the wick. You still get the warm glow and cozy atmosphere of a candle, but it's cleaner, safer, and honestly looks more elegant. And the lamp itself becomes part of the decor. So those are 7 surprisingly simple upgrades that can quietly make your apartment feel much more luxurious. The key isn't spending a fortune. It's being intentional with lighting, textures, and the small details that shape how a room feels. When you layer those elements together, even a basic rental can start to look polished and thoughtfully designed. Now, I'm curious, which one of these upgrades would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.